Hello, Mzansi. The Eastern Cape Police have shed more light on the car crash that claimed the life of the musician, composer, choreographer, playwright Mbongeni Ngema, who died on Wednesday at the age of 68 years old. May his soul rest in peace. So, according to the police reports, they are saying that they were investigating a case of culpable homicide after an accident that occurred around 4:30 p.m. in the Bizana area. So a police responded by saying that there was an accident scene on the R61 road between Bizana and Umakusheni, and on their arrival they found that there were three people including the driver in a serious condition. It is alleged that a white Renault sedan was driving from Lususiki to Durban where they were involved in an accident involving a car truck, said Constable Sipokasi Mawisa. The three people were rushed to the hospital for treatment, and the deceased Mbongeni Ngema, who was one of the passengers, succumbed to various serious injuries at the hospital, and the other two, including the driver, are still in hospital as we speak. May his soul rest in peace, Mbongeni Ngema.